Welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson we are going to be learning about word family I. And the sound that the letter I makes is, let me hear it, I. I. It's a sharp, high-pitched I. Alright, and we all know that letter I is one of our 5 vowels, like we learned in our previous lessons. So let's quickly review the 5 different vowels that we have. We have A, E, I, O, U. A, E, O, A. Yeah, remember names, sounds. It's very important that we get the sounds in because that is what we work with. Okay, so let's do them together. Are you ready? A, E, I, O, U, A. Well done, well done. All right. And today, like I said, we're going to be focusing on the I word family. So let's quickly have a look at the 6 different family sounds that we learned for the word I. All right. We have Ida, Ida, Iga, Iga, Im, in, ip, and the last one, it. Okay? And remember I explained to you in our previous lessons, it's important for you to pronounce each sound together, because these are short sounds. Ida, Iga, in, it. Okay, so let's quickly go through some words for the word family I. Remember, listen and repeat. Watch as I sound each word out. Are you ready? Okay, we're going to start with lid, lid, lid. Next one, kid. Oh, sorry. Kid, ka-ida, kid. Big, ba-iga, big. Dig, da-iga, dig. Wig, wa-iga, wig. Pig, pa-iga, pig. Him, ha-i, him. Dim, da-i, dim. Pen, pa-i, pen. Tin, ta-i, tin. When, wa-i, when. Fin, i, fin. Hip, ha-ip, hip. Lip, lip, lip. Zip, zip, zip. Tip, ta-ip, tip. Fit, it, fit. Hit, ha-it, hit. Sit, it, sit. And the last word, lit, it, lit. Okay, so those are the words that we learned in class with all of our learning and stuff. But these are not the only words that you can use these sounds with. So every time you get a word, remember, sound it out. Break it down into the different sounds. And as you get each sound, you put them together and you get your word. Alright. Thank you for watching this lesson. If you like my video, please like and share my channel. And I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.